You take your car in for a routine oil change, and you drive away with a vehicle that feels fundamentally different. The throttle response is sluggish, the mid-range punch is gone, and that effortless overtaking power has vanished. It isn't your imagination, and it isn't a mechanical fault. It is a deliberate, silent reconfiguration of your engine's DNA. Right now, manufacturers are using over-the-air updates and dealer service flashes to install what are essentially digital handcuffs. Under the guise of system optimization or enhanced efficiency, these lines of code are systematically rolling back your horsepower and torque. But why would a company purposely make their own product worse? The answer lies in the brutal reality of 2026 emissions credits and fleet averages. To avoid billions in corporate fines, manufacturers are being forced to squeeze every milligram of CO2 out of their existing internal combustion engines. Since they can't physically redesign your hardware overnight, they do it through the software. But here is where the optimization becomes dangerous. To hit these targets, they are stripping away your engine's component protection maps. Traditionally, engines use extra fuel to cool the internal components during high load. Now, these updates are forcing engines to run leaner for longer. While they use EGR systems to manage nitrogen oxides, the real killer is the removal of that fuel cooling safety net. If you believe that when you buy a car, you own every single horse under the hood, hit the subscribe button and join us as we deconstruct the digital siege on the modern engine. The most dangerous part of this silent recall isn't just the lost performance, it's the thermal degradation. When a software update removes those rich, cooling fuel mixtures to satisfy a sensor, your exhaust gas temperatures, or EGTs, skyrocket. This puts unprecedented thermal stress on your exhaust valves, turbocharger bearings, and piston rings, components that were never designed to operate under these artificially induced lean burn conditions. They're essentially burning out your engine's long-term reliability to save their corporate balance sheet today. We are entering an era where the optimal factory setting is no longer what's best for the machine, but what's best for the manufacturer's compliance quota. It's time we look past the marketing jargon and reclaim the raw performance that is being systematically locked away. Because once that update is flashed, your car is no longer truly yours.